Showtime! Exciting?
And there we are. Done.
All right, not super fun, but it's over. Oh, yeah! I see what all the fuss is about. Now this is fun! Hiya! How! Duck! Spin! Yeah, oh. Okay, so for my first invention, I wanted to start off with something small and simple. Pascal, I give you the hey-hey. How does it work? Glad you asked. It's powered by potential and kinetic energy. Science. Hey-hey. Hey-hey.
Rapunzel, that's really amazing, but it's already been invented.
Okay. I guess I'll chalk that up to being locked in a tower for 18 years. Good thing I have lots more amazing ideas where that came from. Gotcha! Ah! You should see the look on your face. You've just been pranked, or as it's soon to be called, Rapunzeled. That was clever, but not funny. Nurses Pascal and Rapunzel are at your service. So, what would you like us to do first? Oh, okay. I get it. You want to handle things in a typical cast fashion, solo.
I just need some peace and quiet.
Right. And maybe an extra pillow? Soup? Lullaby. Should I rotate your mattress? Brush your hair? Bedtime story? Facial? Game of checkers?
Thank you.
For more reasons to love Rapunzel, watch brand new episodes of Rapunzel's Tangled Adventure on Disney Channel.